Introducing Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500. This video shows you how to operate it step by step. Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500 runs on gasoline, LPG, or natural gas, providing reliable long-term backup power for your home or on-the-go energy needs. Always use the generator outdoors, well away from windows, doors, and vents. Make sure the exhaust is directed away from people and buildings. First, check that all items are included in the package. You can purchase the optional 10-meter DC charging cable for extra length. Here's a checklist of things to do before you start using the generator. First, move the generator outdoors. Then, place the generator on an open, flat, and solid surface. Ensure at least 1.5 meters or 4.9 feet of clearance on all sides. Second, remove the maintenance cover. Third, connect the starter battery. Fourth, add engine oil. Then, dip the stick into the engine oil. Check whether the oil level is sufficient. Put the stick back and fasten it. Fifth, reinstall the maintenance cover. Lastly, choose between 3 types of fuel to run the generator: gasoline, liquefied petroleum gas, or natural gas. For gasoline, add it up to the maximum fill line . Tighten the cap when finished. For LPG or propane, connect and tighten the gas hose to the gas cylinder. Secure the valve to prevent leakage. Connect the end of the gas hose to the socket. To check for leakage, follow these steps. First, turn on the supply. Then, apply soapy water to all connections. If you see bubbles appear or get bigger, there is a leak. Turn off supply immediately. For natural gas, first, turn off the natural gas valve. Then, connect the hose to the natural gas adapter. You can also secure the generator to a concrete pad for long-term connection. To check for leakage, follow these steps. First, turn on the supply. Then, apply soapy water to all connections. If you see bubbles appear or get bigger, there is a leak. Turn off supply immediately. Now that you've added fuel, it's time to start the generator. Turn the engine switch to your fuel type to start the generator. If you're using gasoline, turn engine switch to gas. For LPG, turn engine switch to LPG. To automatically calculate your usage, you can log your LPG level in the app. For natural gas, turn engine switch to NG. Here's how you use Smart Generator to power your AC devices. Start by connecting the device to the AC output port of the generator. First starting method is to start it via the Anker app. Second starting method is to press the engine start-stop button. Third starting method is to pull the starter grip. Here's how you power off your Smart Generator. Switch off the power supply to the devices in your home. Disconnect the cable. Press the engine start-stop button to stop the engine. Turn the engine switch to the off position. Here's how you use Smart Generator to charge your Anker SOLIX E10. Start by connecting Anker SOLIX E10 to the DC output port of the generator. Press the AC/DC button to switch the generator to DC mode. First starting method is to start it via the Anker app. Second starting method is to press the engine start-stop button. Third starting method is to pull the starter grip. To disconnect E10, turn off the generator first. Then, disconnect the cable. Turn the engine switch to the off position. Here's how you connect your Smart Generator to the Anker app. To connect the generator to the Anker app, download the latest version of the Anker app. Then, log into your Anker account or create a new account. On the home page, select Devices page. Then, tap Add a device. Select your Smart Generator. To complete the Bluetooth connection, press the generator's IoT button. Connect to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Update firmware if necessary. Name your device. Before you start, please check the following. Simply slide to start the generator. Tap here to switch between AC output and DC output. Select power usage modes based on your preferences, or you can select modes by pressing the M button on the generator. While using AC output, you can choose between turbo mode and eco mode. When using DC output, you can choose between turbo mode, eco mode, and quiet mode. Turbo mode gives you full power output for maximum performance. Use eco mode if you want to save energy and reduce noise levels. Quiet mode runs with minimal noise and reduced power output and is only available when connected to E10. Once you've chosen a working mode, ensure to set regular exercise to keep your generator reliable. You can choose between manual exercise and automatic exercise. Automatic exercise is only available for DC output. Select the exercise interval and start time. The generator will automatically run the exercise at the scheduled time. And that's it, you're all set up. If you need to carry out maintenance or servicing on the generator, please refer to the corresponding how-to video.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.